Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can force OBS to record in 4K video. So by default, your OBS may set the settings to record only in HD quality. So what you want to do is in OBS and go and click on the file, then click on settings. In settings, we go down and select video. Then we go to the right hand side here. Now if you click on the drop down, you may notice 4K video is not available. So in order for us to enter in 4K video 3840 by 2160, you have to manually enter the data. So just simply delete and manually enter in the data here. So you want 3840 by 2160. For output, you want to do the same. So put in 3840 x 2160, and then you can set it the FPS to 60. Then we go down and click on the apply button. Then click on OK. Now go back and make sure that the changes are saved. So we go back into settings and then click on video and make sure both of these are saved. And that's it. After that, you can start recording in 4K. Now you may also want to adjust your high bit rate when you are changing the settings to 4K. You can do that by going to the output tab. At the top here, make sure you select advanced. Then click on the recording tab. And from here, we go down and choose the video encoder. So select this video encoder, NVIDIA HEVC if you have that, otherwise choose V.264. Then we go down and you want to change your encoder settings such as rate control, constant bitrate, set bitrate to 80,000 kbps. Then we choose the slower, better quality, or PS, good quality. So select one of these two here. Then go down, set tuning to high quality, and select profile main, and then click on OK. And after that, you can start recording in high 4K quality. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.